On the edge of the great dark stream, shadows fall upon the tide. The soul sails through a fading dream, where the starlit ghosts abide. Mist is settling on the world, a wooden bark on waters cold, leaving all the grief we held past the jagged rocks of old. Cross the river, dark and wide, to the shore where blossoms grow. Now the peaceful gates open high, where the night shall